Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issue with your LG Tone FP9. So as you can see in my case they are visible, but there is information that they cannot communicate with my phone, and I'm going to show you two methods that works for me. The first one is very simple. We have to just open this charging case of our phone. Next we have to click and hold back. We have to put both earbuds inside and then click and hold one of this touchpad on the left or the right earbud. Click and hold until this indicator starts blinking red. Of course, you have to open this cover, right? That's obvious. So take a look for this indicator and keep holding one of this touchpad. There it is. Right now we can release. Then simply go back from the settings, turn it off, turn it on back, click to pair your device. And in the most cases, the pairing mode will be enabled automatically, and right now we can find them on the list. Take a look. Right now, they are connected. The next step, it's also very simple. Just forget them from the list. And as you can see, if they are not in the pairing mode for some reason, you just have to enter the pairing mode manually. So take a look, they are not visible. So we have to click and hold left or the right touchpad for like 3 or 5 seconds until this indicator blinks blue. Then we can release. And here we can also connect them another time. So as you can see, that's how we can do this. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.